This is a video. I just wanted to show you guys how awesome the periodic table is again. Um, so what's really cool is all of these elements in this group or family are similar chemically. They behave chemically similar. They all have S1 as their outermost valence electrons. They only have that one. This group is going to all, if I write out all their electron configurations, I'm always going to end with S2. Like magnesium, if you think about your N values, 3, 4, 5, and magnesium would be 3S2 at the end. Over here, we're going to skip the D's because those aren't valence electrons, only S and P are. This would be, all of these are going to end in P1. So, for example, indium, the valence electrons, highest energy electrons would be 5s2, 5p1. And so on. So, phosphorus is going to be chemically similar to nitrogen and everyone else because it ends in S2P3. And so on. So these guys are going to end in P4, P5, and then P6.